You've built a great software template and it automates your infrastructure and it's going to save your team hours. But if no one knows how to use it, it's pretty much useless. Hello, I'm Stuart Clarke, Senior Developer Advocate here with Spotify. And today I'm going to show you how to add TechDocs into your portal templates using Claude Code so your automation isn't just powerful, but it's actually discoverable and trusted by the teams and agents who need it. Here is a Terraform template that provisions a full EKS cluster on AWS. It works great, but there's no documentation tab, no context, no prerequisites, nothing. This would be a problem when you want other teams to actually use it confidently. TechDocs solved this. It lets you write docs as code, markdown files that live right alongside your template in GitHub and render directly inside of Portal. No separate wiki, no outdated Confluence pages. The docs will live here in the code so they stay up to date. So instead of writing these files manually, I'm just going to use Claude Code. I'll open it in the template folder and I'm just going to give it one prompt. Here I'm going to tell it that I have a software template which is provisioning an EKS cluster on AWS using Terraform, and that I want to add TechDocs so that it shows documentation inside of our Spotify portal. I'm going to add the annotation to the template to the YAML, create a MkDocs YAML, and at the root create a docs index that covers what the template does. It will also document and ask here to ask what AWS resources it creates, the prerequisites, how to use it, and how to connect to the cluster. We can see that Claude Code reads the existing files in my directory and understand what the template does. And now it will make all three changes automatically. First of all, we can see the template for the YAML file. This is the annotation being added. It's telling Portal where to actually find the documentation. Second, we create the MkDocs YAML file. This is the config file that tells Portal how to build the documentation site. And then finally, we have docs index.md, which is a markdown file. This is the actual documentation. Claude has read the Terraform files and written documents covering what the template does, what AWS resources get created, the prerequisites, usage instructions, and how to connect to the cluster once it's up and running. The key thing here is that this is markdown in GitHub. Any developer can open a pull request to update the documents the same way they'd update the code. There's no special tools, no permissions, and no separate system. Now I'm happy with this, I'm going to add and commit and push the changes into the GitHub repository. And here's the results. The template now has a Docs tab. Anyone who finds this in the catalog can read exactly what it does, what they need and how they can use it, and they can do this without leaving Portal at all. For the prerequisites, what gets created under the usage instructions are all rendered clearly inside of Portal in one place. So now that the documentation lives in TechDocs, it's not just for humans, it's also machine readable. This means I can use AiKA in Portal to ask questions about this template and get answers grounded in the document's context. I can open AiKA and just ask a question. Here I'll ask what AWS resources does this EKS Terraform template create, and what IAM permissions do I need before I run it. AiKA can pull the context directly from TechDocs that we've just added and give me a clear doc-based answer. This saves me from hunting through Terraform files or sending a link to someone. The best part about this is because the documents are documents as code, when we update the template, the documents will be updated too, and AiKA's answers will also stay aligned with the latest version. Good templates aren't just about automating infrastructure. They're about making the automation discoverable and trustworthy for the teams and the agents who use it. TechDocs is how you do that in Portal, and Claude Code is how you get there faster. Check out the link in the description to start your free trial of Spotify Portal.